President Ilham Aliyev examined the progress of construction works carried out in the first new residential complex comprising 23 buildings in the city of Shusha. Special representative of the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan in the Shusha district Aydin Karimov informed the head of state of the construction progress. The residential complex, covering an area of nearly 8 hectares, encompasses 23 buildings. Construction started on 8 buildings on July 1, followed by 15 additional buildings on September 1, 2022. The complex is slated for prompt commissioning.